Hello everyone. Today in this video, we are going to learn modal verbs, the usage, and how to remember them. In technical terms, modal verbs are that express necessity, ability, permission, request, obligation, advice, and possibility. So let me show you the examples, then you will easily understand. Primarily, there are 9 modal verbs. There are some extras of which I'm gonna be talking about towards the end of this video. But for now, let's start with the first 9 modal verbs. Can, expressing ability. I can swim. That means I am able to swim. It can also be used for asking for permission. Can I swim? Can I use your phone? And lastly, it can also be used for offering or suggesting. You can try this dish. I am allowing you or offering you. You can try this dish. I'm suggesting you. Next, we come to brother of can. Could. Could denotes past ability. I could swim when I was 5 years old. Or it can be used for a polite request. Could you please pass the salt? Next is suggestion. It can also be used for suggesting. You could visit the museum if you are interested in art. And lastly, it can be used for possibility. It could rain today. Next, we come to will. It can be used for future. I will go to the store. Or it can be used for a promise. I will help you. The next one is would. This is conditional. It can be used to express condition. I would go if I had time. And again, it can also be used for a polite request. Just like could. Would you like some coffee? Would can be used for a habit in the past. When I was a kid, I'd go fishing every summer. Next, it can be used for an imagined situation. What do I mean by this example sentence? I would travel the world if I won the lottery. Next, we have shall on the list. This is used for offering a suggestion. Shall we dance? Or it can be used for determination. We shall overcome. Next is should. This is used for advice. You should study for the exam, or it can be used for expectation. They should be here by now. Next, we have may on the list. This is used for possibility, like many other modal verbs. It may snow tomorrow. It also be used for permission. May I come in? May I sit down? Now, may and can both can be used for asking permission. It's okay to use either. Can I sit down? And may I sit down? May is just slightly more polite, you may say. So may sounds better in formal situation. Might. This is interesting and this is used for lesser possibilities. It might rain tomorrow, but I doubt it. and it can also be used for giving suggestion. You might try this cake. Suggesting you might try it. And lastly, we come to must. This is last one on the list of 9, and it is used to express necessity. I must finish this project. I must finish this video. It is also used for strong advice. You must see that movie. And lastly, it can be used for expressing logical conclusion. It must be her phone. She left it on the table. So generally, there are 9 modal verbs. But sometimes these extras are included like have to. Now, have is used for expressing obligation. I have to go to the doctor tomorrow. Obligation, I have to go. Next is need to. Now, need to is very similar to have to. It is also used to express necessity. I need to complete this. I need to see her. I need to eat this. Last on the list of extras is ought to. This is used similarly to should. So, in the place of should, you can use ought to. Just a fancy way of should. It denotes obligation and advisability. You ought to finish your work tomorrow. You ought to go to her. You ought to do this work. You ought to do that work. Sometimes two modal verbs can be used together to express a specific idea. Something like, you shouldn't have to pay for his mistakes. So, should and have to all have been used together. Sometimes some modal verbs can be used interchangeably because it's quite some overlap. So basically, the importance of modal verbs come when you have to express a certain meaning, mood, or tone of the thing that you are speaking about or the thing that you are expressing or mentioning. Okay, so that's all about in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.